Hey guys, good morning. Spirit as reporting. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm just gonna show you a fitness video because I get a lot of messages saying, guys, show me a good workout. Guys, me Peter, bro, show me a good workout. Help me with this. Help me with that. You only show a little bit of your gym, but you don't speak about it. So today I said, why not show you all what I do for arms? That is bicep and tricep. Yeah, so I said today I'll make a video just on bicep, triceps, and arms. And yeah, my water is ready. So the first thing I do always is have a nice warm water. You know that heat travels. समझ रहे हो? Why did I go like this? Yeah, why did I go like this? Also, let me try a mic. Okay, I got a mic. Let's see how it is. And yeah, it's a Digitech mic, not sponsored, guys. So in 3, 2, 1, here we go. So I hope the audio is nice and clear. It's my first time trying a mic, so I kind of get scared sometimes that what if the audio is not recording and I'm just talking chatter patter chatter patter chatter patter. Let's see how this is. This is around 3,800. So if you want the link, you can message me or just go to Digitech on Amazon. You'll get it. Good morning, Zara. Good morning, Sally. Where's Bailey? Bailey! Bailey! Oh god, no, no, not today, not today, not today. I'll come back and take you, I'll come back and take you, okay? Bailey! Also, see what they did to Umbrella. Dada is gonna get angry. Bailey! Bailey, come! When I call out to any dog in the morning and they don't come, I get very scared. Bailey! Oh, she's there only inside. Uh, okay, sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep. Okay, now I'm fine. Zara, see you. Oh, it's a rainy day. June is Juning. It's been raining quite a lot for past 3 days now. I mean, it's okay when I'm at home, but I don't like getting my feet wet. Yeah. Comment down and let me know if you are like me and you don't like getting your feet wet. My pie wala is not good. Also, guys, I just reached the gym, and nowadays the weather is not cooperating at all. I hate waking up in the morning because it's so cozy, because it's cold and I love the cold weather. But fitness is important too, and I got to make it to the gym because later I have work in the evening. But it's getting so difficult. So what I do sometimes when I don't have work now, I come around 3:34 in the afternoon because I'm already awake since the morning and all and stuff, and I feel much better. But today, sorry, since I have work in the evening, I have to come in the morning. But for some reason, I'm not liking it anymore because I'm a person, who normally likes to wake up early, start my day early, but this weather is not cooperating. Okay, guys, so I just put on my shoes and everything. In fact, I'm trying to see if the mic is actually good in the gym with the background music and stuff and disturbance. I mean, so yeah, I'll just warm up because before your workout, remember, you gotta warm up your muscle. Stretch as much as you can stretch so that we don't get any injuries. And injuries is like my new best friend. So this weather is making me very lazy and I feel very stiff at the same time. And I'm not used to talking in the gym like this, so people will think I'm mad, but guys, I'm mad for y'all. Okay, guys, so first we are doing single arm bicep curl. So I prefer single arm because it's you can concentrate more on your single bicep. That is, you can pick which hand first. Yeah. So what I do is first I always take the lightest so that you can warm up your muscle and try to do as much as you can when it comes to reps. I'm gonna try for 15 to 18. So when I'm pulling slow and releasing also, I'm releasing slow. So I can feel the tension on the muscle. So that's how you do it. And now the same thing we do with the next hand, and make sure to go slow because I see a lot of people in the gym performing their exercise very fast. The slower you go, the better it is. The good stretch down. When you come up, squeeze your bicep. Make sure not to move your hands at all. Like your elbows, see, it's my elbows stuck to the bench. Pull, release, pull, release. Done. So you can perform this for like, I would say 3 sets is good enough. This single arm push down. Same. Push it slow, release it slow. I always prefer starting with single hand, like how I did single arm bicep curl. So same, single arm push down. You can concentrate more on a single muscle. One set of that, and let's see if it's already pumped. I don't know if it's visible, but a little bit pumped yet. So let's do some more and pump it more. Alright guys, so a third exercise is incline bicep curl. So adjust the bench, okay, as per, I think it should be a number 3 or number 4, okay. Elbow straight, release, pull, release, pull. There should not be any movement, okay. Yeah, minimum 15 reps. That wasn't bad. Okay guys, so the third exercise is incline bicep curl. Adjust the bench. I mean, all benches are different, so adjust the bench according to you, and keep it on incline. Rest back, okay. Rest back. Elbow straight. Don't move your elbows. Release. Pull. Release. Pull. Minimum 15 reps or more. Remember, don't move. Slowly. Ow, that was painful. Okay guys, I just got done. Now it's time to take some check-ins. Okay guys, so I'm back home. Today's workout was a good workout, and I hope you got to learn something from this, gain something from this. And remember one thing, doing a lot of exercises doesn't mean you're gonna build muscle, but I prefer quality over quantity. So do whatever you're doing, but just remember, whenever you're doing, give 100% attention. That is muscle and mind. And today was an arm day workout. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you want such more videos. And yes, Peter Dye signing off. All Mogs for y'all. Before that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button. Do share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Peter Dye signing off. All Mogs for y'all.